Hello everyone, this is TinyBin. In this video, I will show you what you should do before start using TinyBin Daz Content Manager. The first thing you should do is to merge content paths to DazStudio. The content path defined in TinyBin in Settings, Path. There are 3 content paths have been added here. Click this button, Merge Content Path to DazStudio. OK. And then start DazStudio. In Content Library tab, you can see the 3 content paths have been merged into DazStudio. The second thing you should do is to install the TinyBin import script. Under TB import folder, copy these 2 files, and then open archive folder, paste it, refresh. You can see the zip file here, install. OK. Choose a product category, but this is optional. Switch to Install tab. You can see the TinyBin import script has been installed. Back to DazStudio. Find the script, refresh. TB import scripts, TinyBin import. Here is the script. Right-click, create custom action, accept. So the script will be available under the main menu scripts, and you can access this TinyBin import script directly from the main menu. And remember, every time you have installed a new product with metadata, or you have changed the metadata of a product, you have to call this TinyBin import script again to import new metadata. Thank you for watching. See you next video.